Everybody throws on the face.
Don't you worry about my change of clothes. I have cat-like reflexes.
You get the face, it's 10 points.
No.
Stand there and take it.
But you guys have a strategy. You're gonna go one at a time. You're gonna go all at once.
This is how much I love you.
Hey folks, it's Rob from Bondic, and today we're gonna do a challenge with Bondic. We're gonna be able to make a structure to protect this egg. This is a real egg, right? So, all right. So it's a real egg, and we're gonna check out whether this crew or team can actually make something that can protect an egg from breaking. Ready? Okay, let's go. Oh!
Nobody!
Unbelievable! Cat-like reflexes! Unbelievable! Okay, so all the eggs broken. That's probably going to foreshadow what happens today.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.